welcome back to my channel. Here I have another tutorial for you. I just got my CURLBOX. So today I'll be using the Afro Sheen texture foam in the spray leave-in conditioner. I also have the texture setting cream gel. It's also the slick back curl styler. I already did this side. I'm just gonna do like a mini wash and go, twist it up in the front how I just did this. So I just did the back side back here too, so let y'all see. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do this front part. It's gonna be 2 sections. And let's speed it back up. I'm using also the oil. I didn't show the oil. The Sheen 3-in-1 oil. I'm just putting it all throughout my scalp. Massaging it in there. And back to it. So yeah, split it in 3. And this is what freshly washed hair. So I'm gonna take some of the leave-in and just spray that one section. Take my brush. Okay, that was that. Take the foam. Yeah, you can choose to do it however you choose, but I do the foam just to keep all the other products, to keep my hair from drying out. A little bit of the white cream. The slick back curl style cream. And just a little bit of the gel. And then just take the brush again and a quick little I'm gonna do this top section. Yeah, I just happened to come across the CURLBOX on Instagram one day. And I was like, okay, I need hair products. Like, let's use this all about. And they gave you a couple options to choose, like what you want in your CURLBOX. I'm gonna order another one because it has like a company I really like in there. And I'm like, okay, I'm really impressed because this will have my hair feel really soft. It's not drying. Even though like one is a gel, the other one is a styling cream that says leave on basically, like when you do your ponytails. This is the styling gel, and it says you just basically use this as like your curling custard that you want to use on your hair. The next, this one says you can use it as like edge control for your pony stuff, like you can tell. I put this, that's why I put it like around here when I was just doing my hair, because when I laid in edges, they laid. Yep, apply to damp or dry hair. Use fingertips to apply the hairline. Place in palm. Rub hands together and apply base of hairline. That's what that says. Should I do it like this? Yeah, I think I'll do this because so I'm just going to start by twisting. And then my part yesterday that I literally just washed my hair. Got out the shower. Then again, doing my little washing good. My new products I just got. I'm just making this a little bit of this because you can see. This is just like a little dread clip for when you retwist hair. So just put that right in there. And here you are, guys. Quick and easy, little simple hairstyle. And just to maintain it, I guess just you can spray the leave-in in there every day. You really don't have to do that much.